We're here today because it's the launch of the Northern Saints Trails, which has been a long time in development. It's a big and complex project, and we think it has huge potential benefit for the region. The Saints Trails is about pilgrimage, and people think of pilgrimage as being strictly and entirely a religious thing that religious people do. But actually for centuries, right back to Chaucer, people go on pilgrimages for all sorts of reasons, sometimes just for the experience. And in the surrounding region, we have an amazing number of extraordinary historic sites, dating back, many cases, more than 1,000 years. And there have always been pilgrims who have gone to them, people who have walked to them. But now this knits it all together into coherent, well-marked trails, which will bring huge economic benefit and I think a lot of personal benefit to the individuals.
Well, here at English Heritage, part of our sort of twofold approach is to care for our beautiful sites and inspire people to visit them. And the Northern Saints Trail actually fits in with that perfectly. Not only are we telling you that they're here, we're providing a stunning backdrop for these walks, but we're also hoping that you'll get some inspiration along the way.
The Northern Saints Trail is a real key contributor to our City of Culture bid that we are looking at as a county, and it's things like this that really excite people about our area in terms of cultural heritage, so it's fantastic. Our tourist economy is extremely valuable for County Durham and the wider North East. It's just marvellous to be part of this.
I find it really exciting, the idea of making a modern-day pilgrimage to Durham Cathedral along the Northern Saints Trails. There's something really unusual about taking a pilgrimage in today's society. It involves stepping aside from the busyness of the day-to-day and gaining a broader perspective on life. If they walk along the trails and they have their pilgrim passport with them, they'll get their final stamp in that passport, which is a real moment of achievement, something to celebrate and to treasure and to cherish.
I think you just need to look at things like the Coast to Coast or the Hadrian's Wall walks and cycle routes to see the importance of walking trails like this to tourist industries. They act as connectors between tourist attractions and small businesses, and there are hundreds of them along the trail, and it's only going to help footfall, it's going to help overnight stays, bring more money, more resources, more visitors and more visibility to the area.